I should have left you on that street corner where you were standing. But you didn't.
In with the eye. Okay, you want me to call your mother? No! It works every time. They're scared to death of her.
Call me for what?
Oh, Eva, my love.
Josh, go put those corn dogs back.
You can't make me do anything.
Sometimes I like to pretend I'm tall, but I'm just standing on a chair.
How's the fishing?
Help me bring it in.
Johnny has 19 bottles of dish soap, and he gives. Wait, why does Johnny have so many soaps in the first place? Mind your business, David!
Butterfly Bentley. No! 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 Bentley! Bentley!
We're going to a candy store? No, it's nighttime. Candy stores are closed.
We're gonna rob a candy store?
Ugh.
Oh, sorry, I fell asleep while I was waiting on you to make me a sandwich.
Go back to sleep and starve.
I just asked how old you are.
Can you shut up for a second?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello from the other side.
What would you do if there was a child right in front of you, sitting all alone, crying in pain from hunger, near death from sickness?
Say, let it die. Let it die. Let it die.
Enough from the clown.
Let's not blow this out of proportion.
You think you could steal from us and just walk away?
Yeah.
That's funny. You think I sleep. Sleep is for the weak.
Did you wash the dishes?
I thought you wanted to do that.
You were wrong.
They like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 15 cars? Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop houses driving 15 cars. The girls come with